First here I telling you logic of swapping of two numbers. Okay. Here I use variables a, b, c. C variable is used for third variable, that is storing of the values of a and b. Here I will assign here c is equal to a. Suppose I taking a values of a and b. First I assign a values of a to c. That is for example, suppose I have a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Okay. A's value is 10, will assign to c. uh, so c will get a values of a, that is 10. After a is equal to b, means values of a b 20 will assign to a. Here a is equal to 20. After that uh, b is equal to c, means value of c, that is first which I assign a's values to the c. C is equal to 10 will get values of c's will to assign to b. Then values of b will become 10. Here swapping will get here. Starting we take the values of a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. After swapping, this logic of swapping will get the changing the values or interchanging the values of a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. This logic of a swapping of a two numbers I practically done. This is in a program. I will see you after 2-3 minutes this program in practically, and also I will see you output of this program. Okay. After that I will also telling you the logic of size, how to define the size of data types. That is, I will take in program integer, float, double, or long integer. This is also data type long integer, because size of integer is 2 or 4 bytes and long integer size is 8 bytes. If we have take a big number, then that time we will use a long integer data type. Okay. Integer, float, double, character, size of these some data types I will use here. I will take in program integer data types variable is I, float data type variable f, double data type variable d, long integer data type will take here variable li, character data type variable is use c. For the size of data types, use function is size of. This is the keyword. What I'm saying here, keyword size of function. And suppose I want the integer data type size, I pass the variable I in this function. Okay. And after that I will after I want size of a float data type, again I use the size of function and pass the variable of f. Similarly, we will use double, long, int, characters variable for finding the size of these data types. Okay. And another also data types are many more data types are also used in C. Similarly, we find the that data type size also like this. I explain these two program now. Okay. Today I going to explain size of data types and swapping of two numbers. These two programs I will explain here. I already done this program and take a screenshot of these programs. Okay, now I explaining these. First, here hash include stdio.h, this header file. After that void main. I take here four data types, that is integer, float, double, character, long integer, because I want size of integer, float, double, character, long int. For that I write here printf function size of integer, and size of all data types is in integer number. For that I will use here %d for all data types. Okay. Important thing is used here, that is size of function. Size of function, and I pass here variable of integer data type in size of function, for because I will get here size of integer in integer format. After that, next printf, I use here slash n. Slash n is used for a new line. First line is integer, size of integer, and new line will come below of integer, size of integer line, size of float. Size of float is also I here use size of function, and size variable of a float data type is pass here f, and size of float is also in integer, for that I use here %d. After that, size of double, also use here size of function and pass the variable of double data type. After that, size of character and size pass the variable of character data type, and size of long integer and pass variable of size of pass a variable of a long integer data type, that is li. After run this program, I take a screenshot of this, and size is here. Size of integer is in 4 bytes, size of float is 4 bytes, size of double is 8 bytes, size of character is 1 byte, and size of long integer is 8 bytes. ठीक है. I run this program on online C compiler on Google and take a screenshot of these programs. Second program is swapping of two numbers. For that, hash include stdio.h void main. I take here 3 variable, that is a, b, c. A for first number, b for second number, and c is a temporary variable for swapping of two numbers. I put here one statement, that is enter two numbers, and accepting two numbers accepting two integer numbers in a and b. I used here ampersand a, ampersand b. And swapping logic is third variable c is used. A have a one number, will assign the value of a in c variable. Next is value of a will assign to c variable, and value of b will assign to a variable. And first value which assign a's value in c variable will assign in b variable. Swapping we done here, and print the values of a and b, changing values or swapping of values of a and b by using the printf function. A equal to %d, b is equal to %d, because %d is used for integer numbers, that is a and b will print here. And output of this program is here enter two numbers, which I type here, enter two numbers, that is %d, ampersand a and ampersand b. And swapping logic of two integer numbers, it will swap these two numbers a and b. First I enter 10 and 20, that is a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. And after swapping, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10, means swap by using the logic of swapping logic, these two variable will swap the or interchange the values and get output of these two values, that is a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. Thank you.